We've got to get the tickets.
Wow!
Hello, tickets, please.
We've got to get the tickets. Where's the tickets? Where's the tickets? Where's the tickets?
Okay. Okay, thanks very much.
No one just seems to want to be with me today. Okay, do you like the steam trains?
Hello, yeah.
What do you think, what's good about the steam trains?
Right?
Is it the steam that comes out?
Yes.
Well, you like chuffy trains, don't you? So we were on our first chuffy train, aren't we?
Yeah.
That's good. And then we're going to go down to where are we going? To Halt.
Yeah, to see the wooden.
We're going to go see the wooden train, aren't we?
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
And
Anything else you've got to say?
no.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Pardon?
To make my bread.
Yes, that's the wheat that makes the bread. That makes flour that makes bread.
Good.
Steam trains are good, aren't they? Look, steam train, Crowbo, look!
What?
Look! Yeah!
Is it coming?
They're coming past, look!
There's a more bread to my corn with flour.
Yeah.
What?
And the sea, can you see the sea? What else do you see?
See some trees. There's lots of trees. Rising high into the sky.
Gotcha!
What?
What are you going to tell me?
Nothing.
Okay.